Hello students, good morning. Let's start today's class. Today's topic is and the chapter name is the movements of the earth. Yes student, our chapter name is the movement of the earth, and in this topic today we are going to discuss about the effect of earth revolution. Before this, in this lesson we have discussed about what is rotation, the effect of rotation, and what is revolution. And now today we are going to discuss about the effect of revolution. The effect of revolution, the biggest effect of the earth revolution around the sun is the change of the seasons. The seasons of the earth are affected by the following factor. Yes student, the seasons of the earth affected by the following factors. Here are two factors which affect the seasons of season of earth. First one is the angle of the sun rays. The angle of the sun rays affect the season. Which type of season will be there on which part of the earth? It is decided by the angle of the sun rays. And second is the length of the days. Yes student, the length of the day is the determined factor that which type of season will be there on which part of the land. So the sun rays reach the earth, they are parallel to each other. The sun rays reach to the earth and both are parallel to each other, and this is not the case the earth axis being tilted. When the sun rays fall on the earth's surface, they are not parallel to the plane of the sunlight. This is not the case of the earth axis being tilted. When the sun rays fall on the earth's surface, they are not parallel to the plane of the sunlight. And next is the part of the earth that is tilted towards the sun receives more sunlight and observes summers. Yes, student. The part of the land which is tilted towards the earth that receives more sunlight and observes summer. As we know, in sunlight there is too much heat, and the part of the land which face directly, or you can say which is parallel to the sunlight, that part of land will receive directly heat and their season will be summer. Yes student, you can see here is the earth and it is sun. The part which directly face the sun parallel, that portion, this portion face directly sun's heat, and this portion, in this portion there will be summertime, and the portion from where the light gets bounces, on this portion, on this portion there will be winter time. The places in the northern hemisphere experience summer, while the places in the southern hemisphere experience winter. Yes student, and it is the time of June. In the month of June, the North Pole is tilted towards the Sun in the month of June. In the month of June, the North Pole is tilted towards the Sun. I already told you that India lies in northern hemisphere, and when we enjoy the month of June, in month of June we enjoy summertime. Why? The North Pole is tilted towards the Sun while the South Pole is tilted away from the Sun. Yes, student, our northern hemisphere tilted towards the Sun, that's why it gets too much sunlight, and we receive here we enjoy summer season, and this portion, southern portion, far away from the sunlight, that's why here will be winter. And on the other hand, in December, when we talk about December, the South Pole is tilted towards the Sun. Now the situation will be opposite. Now southern hemisphere will tilt it towards the Sun, and northern hemisphere will be far away from the Sun. That's why in this region, in the southern hemisphere, there will be summertime, and on the same time in northern hemisphere there will be winter time. In the month of December, we enjoy here winter. Why? This northern hemisphere is far away from the sun's light, and at the same times in southern hemisphere tilted towards the sun and receive directly heat of the sun. So in December the south pole is tilted towards the sun and the north pole is tilted away from the sun. That's why in southern hemisphere there will be summertime, and in the northern hemisphere there will be winter time. Thus, places in the southern hemisphere experience summer. Yes, student, because this portion bent directly towards the sunlight, while places in the northern hemisphere experience winter time. In northern hemisphere there will be winter time because this portion is far away from the sunlight. So this is the reason of changing the season, the angle of the sun rays. So my dear students, I hope you are doing your homework properly, and we are providing you your solution of the homework and the new homework with by the PDF form. And I hope you are doing and you are preparing your notebook, and you are learning it. Thank you. Have a nice day.